Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com here. I just bought my very first storage locker. Now my husband has bought these before, but I've never bought one. This is my first experience, so I'm going to show you what's inside. Hey, here we go. So as you can see, it's a little one, but it was packed jam full. So that was part of the reason we bought it. It looks like, you know, some inexpensive stuff, but I'm hoping to find some gems in here, and so we're gonna start pulling stuff out and we'll systematically show you things that we find interesting. Oh, by the way, I only spent 30 bucks for this locker, so $30 for all of this. I see a lot of clothes that we possibly can put on Posh, so we're gonna pull this out and kind of take a look at what we got going on and see how much money we can make on this. And so we'll kind of just, as we go through the stuff, give you dollar amounts and see if we can make at least our 30 bucks back. Progress update on our first one, $30 unit. This right here, this giant pile next to where my hubby is stacking stuff, is our big pile of trashola. So some of you may not think that this is trash, but we think it's trash, therefore we are throwing it away. Over here we got a bunch of clothes we went through, and they're pretty much Walmart brand over here, but anything you see inside of a tote is something we have chosen to keep. These are brand new. Those clothes are name brand or look really nice. Some other brand new items. We'll walk over here. And then we're going to show you, we have a whole tote of like these types of things. And then this whole tote is stuff that's brand new in package that we plan on inspecting and making sure it's good to go. Oh, I did want to show you one thing. Hold on one sec. So we found this Geneva box, and when I open it up, hold on one sec, we found a really nice set of his and her watches. Sorry about the camera work. Trying to do two things at once. So those are really pretty. So that's definitely an option for things. It was inside this little white sleeve, so it didn't look that pretty. So it kind of protected the box, so that's kind of neat. Got a bunch of curtains and stuff that are brand new in package, never been opened. I'll kind of show you the condition. These are the white lace ones. So they've never been opened. Some glassware, things like that. I'll give you a glimpse into sewing machine. Awesome. So that is a Kenmore blue mini ultra sewing machine. We'll have to see if we can find the little drawer that goes with it. I'm sure it's somewhere in here, but here's a glimpse into what this looks like now. This is how far we've gotten. So as you can see, we've barely scratched the surface. We have a giant truck, put stuff in once we're done, but I'll give you an update here in a little bit as we get further in. Christmas stuff. Have to look at, just in case we got hungry, I found these in a jewelry box. Look, one each for my husband and I. Crunchy granola bars. It's a needed thing. Alright, so I was going through some jewelry boxes and some paperwork. I found a ID for Lewis and Clark college, and then let me see, I had some passports. I found 2 passports. I found this mother's ring that is 925 sterling silver, this one here. So that's going to be worth some money, especially in, I've got some marriage licenses I found, super important documents. I don't know why you would put it in a storage locker, but yeah, kind of cool stuff that we found. Still looking through stuff, so I'll keep you updated. My hubby just brought me this box. Let's see what's in this. All right, got some jewelry kind of in here. Some really pretty pieces. Oh, that's a cute little pair of earrings. And we got some bracelets, another pair of earrings. Let's see what else we got in here. There's the match. Got some Christmas tree earrings. These are kind of cute. So lots of, ooh, here's a ring. Let's see what the ring looks like. Curious to see if it's a sterling. There it is. That's my second sterling ring. Found another sterling ring. Nice. Awesome. So 2 sterling rings so far. That's my wedding ring. Don't count that one. Well, you gotta count it, but. All right, so looks like that's all that's in that. Let's see what else we got. We got a cute Snoopy. Oh, we got money. Okay, let's see what's in here. Mr. Joe Cool. He's in really good condition. The piggy bank itself, I think, is going to be worth it because he's a Snoopy. Let's see how much money we got. My money's all rolling away. Ooh, yeah. Some locked stuff. How much we got here? See, I only paid $30 for this, and I'm already earning money back without even trying. Okay, come on. I can't get it to shake out. Okay. There's one in there. There it goes. All right, so let's see. We've made, so far, before leaving the storage unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 cents. Awesome sauce. Okay, let's see what's in this. Preston and York. Ooh. Now this person was a crafter, so I see some crafting chains and some crafting beads, and it looks like that's all that's in that one. Okay. So lots of crafting stuff. I have no idea how to get, well, is this open? Oh good, I don't have to figure out the lock. So, this is a zipped up pen bag. It looks like just full of Sharpies. Wonder if they work. I have no idea how long it's been in this storage locker. Oh, this whole bag of Sharpies works. You know how expensive Sharpies are? That's a score. You may not think so, but it is. Alright, we're going to keep checking stuff out.
Hey.
Yeah.
Those remote control Jeep gels. Check
Ooh,
this out.
yeah, that might be worth something if we can find the remote.
It's probably in there somewhere.
Okay. Jeep Wrangler. It's got the battery pack. Looks like it's in good shape. Little antenna on it. Yeah, that's a good size one too. You can see next to my shoe how big it is. It's really large. We'll see if we can find the remote. Ton of Matchbox cars. Little toys, Eco toys. I'm gonna go through that. And those passports, see, 2 passports in this, and they're not even expired yet. Both of them are still current. So, loading the box with all the excess stuff. Look, they ordered from bulk.com. Some person ordered from bulk.com. No, just kidding. That's one of the boxes I brought with me. So, we're still going through our pile of treasure / trash. But we do have some good stuff. So, found a couple of sterling silver rings, some other new stuff, lots of jewelry, Joe Cool, Snoopy, lots of clothes, cute little Precious Moments piece we found, a happy anniversary one. So, finding some good stuff, and also, in case you needed it in your life, here is a purple pig tutu wreath. Because everybody needs it. Oh, yes. Frankenstein's in this one, too. Good old Frankenstein. Stuff that we can sell in good shape. Hey, don't give me any bull. Right? Just saying. Just saying. A little wall plaque. Bunch of other stuff. See, we're making progress. Yay! So there's some furniture, little chairs. Not too much to contend with.
It's an antique chair worth $1.2 million.
$1.2 million in our $30
or
storage
$2
or the trash heap. All right. Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Still got a little bit more to go, but I wanted to give you an update. So not too much left in there. All of the stuff that you see here is stuff that I believe that I can sell and flip. Remember, I only spent $30 for this. I did rent the truck to be able to move it, so that tacks on another 25 bucks or so per locker that I bought. But this is all stuff that I think I can move. Got some clothing for Poshmark. I'm going to definitely inspect it more when I get it back to the warehouse, and some other stuff. And then this is my glorious, glorious pile of trash. So there may be some usable stuff that some people might want in this, but for the most part, most of this is just going to get dumpster thrown. So that's, I guess, part of doing the storage, auctions is you end up with just a couple of nuggets, and these are a couple of nuggets. I don't know if you can see, but this ring is 925 mark sterling, and so is this ring. This is a mother's ring. I'm not sure what this other silver one is, but those are marked 925 sterling silver, so I'm really excited about that. I definitely think I can make my 30 bucks back. Well, I guess, 55 if you count the truck cost. 55 bucks for sure between all these totes, because a lot of what I found is actually still brand new in package, and then the clothes are in really good condition, and there's some good quality ones in there. Now there's a lot of like Walmart brand, Target brand in there. We'll just throw those out, or actually donate a lot of them. But so far so good. I'm gonna keep on plugging away. Hey, I'm finally done with my first storage locker. As you can see, it's totally empty, and who knew you can fit so much garbage inside of a storage locker. So that is all the stuff that we are getting rid of and not keeping, because we just don't think it's good quality, or it's broken, or what have you. And then if we scan over here, these are the items that we were keeping. So I bought 10 totes total, and we've got 6 of them full. So I'm really excited about what I can find in my $30 storage locker, the very first one I have ever bought. So I'll try to keep you updated, and we're gonna go check out the other 2 that we bought. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.